안녕하세요, this is Gia. Welcome to my cooking channel. It's so hot now in Seoul, and today I'll show you a recipe that is perfect in summer days. I'll be making mango jelly that is fruity and refreshing. It goes wonderful as dessert, and it also is great for snacks. We'll be using the sea plant-based Agar Agar to set up the jelly. It's often compared with gelatin, but Agar Agar is sea plant-based and is vegan. The most important thing is to add the Agar Agar powder when the water is cold. This powder is activated by being boiled, and it sets the liquid. I don't know why it has a double word, but I think it has a cute name. Give it a stir and bring it to a boil. If you add it after the water is hot, it'll clump up. Stir it occasionally so that it doesn't settle to the bottom. When it starts boiling, add sugar and stir until the sugar dissolves and cook it for additional 2 minutes. Then turn off the heat. This jelly will solidify in 30 minutes, so add the mango flesh and Agar Agar liquid in the mold within 15 minutes. Mango has to be ripe and sweet. Peel the skin. You may either use a small knife or peel the skin of mango like this. Scoop the mango with spoon. This measuring spoon has sharper ends than regular spoon, so I prefer to use it for scooping the mango. Use a knife to scrape off all the mango flesh. Add the mango flesh in a mold you like. Pour the Agar Agar liquid to it. Then you want to get rid of these bubbles, so just break them with fork or chopsticks. Okay, that's good enough. Now I'm going to add a few mint leaves to it. It will look nicer, and mint gives a refreshing taste to this jelly. Place it in room temperature until it completely cools down. Then refrigerate it. This mango jelly will solidify in 30 minutes, even in a room temperature. The best way to enjoy this cool, refreshing jelly is to scoop in a small bowl and add honey to it. I didn't add much sugar to this jelly because I like to add honey before eating. So pretty. I like to make this jelly less solid, and let me taste and I'll tell you how it tastes like. Mango, it has a tropical taste, and a little bit of mint gives a very refreshing taste. So yummy. You can make this fancy dessert in an hour, less than an hour. Please send me a message if you made this beautiful mango jelly.